They won't like me for sharing this, but is the stress from your job taking over your life? You're staying late, skipping breaks, and suddenly, work is all you think about. It's like life outside the office just vanished. Here's how to reclaim your time. Start by setting firm boundaries. Decide a time to finish work and stick to it, no matter what. Say no to extra tasks that eat into your evenings. And here's a pro tip: black out me time in your calendar just like a meeting. It might sound simple, but it's powerful. For the complete solution, click the link in my bio, drop a comment if you're ready to take back your time.